the devil and say, darling, darling. So them a go so then don't worry. Easy your brain.
By the thing.
They hear what we say.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Listen to me again.
So
Yo,
you don't worry.
easy your vibe.
By the thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Keeping it live.
Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun.
Yeah.
Three little birds pitched by my doorstep,
Yo, yo.
singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Bless up and stress up and don't matter what free your brain. Listen the lyrics and what the message contain. Alpha and Omega, you know that ever go and rain. So why bother complain? Yo, life is a road today if you choose the right lane. Some people focus them energy for mere pain. Never acknowledge all of the blessing them gain. That's why we keep on saying, yo, don't worry. We have to live life to it. And play. We know life is such a heavy load. So we're telling them again,
Don't worry, by the thing.
easy your mind.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Listen what we're telling them
So you
again.
don't worry,
Yeah, yeah.
by the thing.
Don't pressure your brain.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Okay, oh yeah, oh yeah. Positive living, the man, and so we do we thing. Just keep giving, so every day we have to sing. Live up with positive because we know we must win. Who are just say with negative, I get a sting. Them think I'm a ground, them still a bow to the king. Evil them cut up, that still is controlling. Like them never trust things, I love amazing. Fire ever blazing, yo, we keep moving. Can't believe life to it. Shining enough, we know life is such a heavy load. But God bless it again, don't worry.
By the thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. So you don't worry, by the thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yo, hey, none of them vex about that screw, hey yo, down by the road. Every day that you live up, that still a bless you. Even though the clouds appear great and times are tough, never be giving it up because the world is true. Every day the day is brighter, don't bother fight. Every man for reach the heights and come to know them on the rise. I respect one another underneath the other side. Never lose sight of the light.